So when it comes down to the self account, it's as simple as you sign up for the self account. You could pay between $25 and $150 per month, and you have to pay it for 24 months. You continue to pay that, and they're going to report to the credit bureaus that you're paying, and your credit score should go up. It's most likely going to go up, especially if you have your credit score under a 620. If your credit score is under 620, it's most likely want to go up. I personally have the self account, and I personally had my credit score go up a lot. It was one of those accounts that really helped me really build my credit. So yes, it's as simple as sign up for the account. I would suggest you put on auto pay and then watch your credit score go up. Now let's check out that self account. Now I have it on the care credit now, but we're gonna go ahead and let's look up that self account because it's literally as simple as that, you guys. So yeah, you pick which plan you want to do, $25, $35, $48, or $155. Now I used to like to do the $48 because they reported for 12 months. And my biggest problem, you guys, if I can be honest, my biggest problem was always just making sure I paid my bills on time. I could have the money and then I just don't want to pay it. Honestly, I didn't want to pay it, or I forget to pay it. I didn't want to pay it, and now it's time for me to pay it. And maybe it was a problem. So I set my stuff up on auto pay now. If I can help it, I set up on auto pay. So if you guys have that problem, set up on auto pay. But I suggest now people just go ahead and pay this $25 per month. Especially if you're just trying to get a house and you want them to report. So go ahead and pay that $25 per month, because that $25 per month, that account right there is going to report to the credit bureaus, help you build your credit score. And after this 24 months, after the 2 years, you're going to get your money back. Now, if you guys put yourself in an account that's like $150 per month, just make sure that you can afford that per month, because if something was to happen, you can't pay that, they're going to hurt your credit. They're going to report you late. And this account right here, you guys, it's hard to remove late payments. I think I moved late payment from kickoff. I got lucky one time. I'm gonna say lucky because the other the other people weren't lucky. I wasn't able to get it off of theirs. I did the same thing. I wasn't able to get it off, but it's very hard to remove it. So make sure that you guys pick a plan that you can pay, set up on auto pay, and like just make sure that money is in that account. And then they're going to start reporting to the credit bureaus, which should increase your credit score. Like it's literally as simple as that.